I will be going over our Enliten software today and how you can get started making your lesson plans. You can open Enliten by tapping the icon on our light touch board here, or by going to www.enliten.app, which will launch you straight into Enliten. The first thing you want to do is sign in. You can do this by clicking the three dots on the bottom of the taskbar, then hitting login. Make sure you've created an account if you haven't already. That way you can access your lessons and presentations anywhere from any device. Now that you've signed in, you can use the folder icon to access your personal library. You can select a presentation that you've already created, or you can select a new lesson. Whether you're making a new lesson plan or working on an old one, you can save it by clicking the floppy disk icon on the bottom of the toolbar. If you are making a new presentation, it will ask you to name it. And you can rename any presentation that you're on by tapping the three dots again and then hitting Save As. Now you're all set to begin making your lesson plans. Be on the lookout for more videos in this series to help you start making detailed and interactive presentations in Enliten. Thank you for watching.